he was in charge of getting all this cleaned up. They had been in a humongous crash and had to be taken away to the works. When they got to the works, they were not at all happy. They knew they were going to be there a while. Meanwhile, they were all wondering what had happened. There was a big crash. And it was not a good crash either. Unfortunately, he's right. Today there was a big crash, and not a good crash either. Which means 2 other engines will have to take the express, and the other end, so you guys will just stay with your normal jobs. Except for you, Ed, you will pull the express, but you will have a back engine. Yes, sir. And your back engine will be just then an engine rolled up. Ed gasped, "But sir, he's for craning only." "No, he's not. He has a coupling, which means he can do any of the work that I need done." "But sir, no, nothing. Just he's gonna be your back engine." "But sir," I said not. And just then, George wrote in, "This is an emergency, sir. The roads. I don't have time for the roads." Just then, Chad pulled up. Hello? Am I here also? Or not? Nope. You are gonna pull Annie and Clarabelle. No. All of you guys will immediately have to start your work, except for you. You shall go and do other work for the day. Over on this side of the island, they were all getting ready to get the cars into play. "Why aren't you doing anything?" "I got tons of cars. You could help." "Oh, but I'm not supposed to be doing that, and I'm not going to break any law." Rules. There's no real law, except you should help. I'm not going against any rules. Yeah. No point in arguing with you, he said. Just remember what you just said, right? Oh, I remember what he said.